Thankfully, racking collapses are few and far between, but they can and do happen, causing serious injury or fatality, and loss of reputation through claims for corporate negligence. Sadly, it's almost always due to bad practice. SEMA is the British Trade Association of the storage equipment industry. Adjustable pallet racking systems and other storage systems made by SEMA manufacturers are designed to current and up-to-date codes of practice and to withstand the rigours of the busiest of warehouses, even those operating 24/7. If installed correctly and properly maintained, SEMA-designed and manufactured storage systems will give maximum life in service and the best return on your investment. In the next 3 minutes, we will show you how adjustable pallet racking is safely constructed in a real, live-build pallet racking project, using the trained and qualified personnel of a SEMA-approved installation company, or SAIC for short. SAIC member companies must be committed to best practice, recognised industry standards and safe ways of working. They are rigorously audited by SEMA and issued with a certificate annually. A detailed operational health and safety policy and other documentation are mandatory. SAIC companies manage storage installation projects and must have all their installers SEERS registered and must also have an appropriate number of installers who are qualified to SEERS supervisory level. Just to explain, SEERS is the Storage Equipment Installers Registration Scheme for individual installers. Trained and qualified installers carry a SEERS registration card like this one. It's also worth noting that SEERS is the only industry-specific scheme where training must be refreshed every 3 years. Just to be very clear, SAICs must ensure that their permanent installers are SEERS trained and that their entire subcontractor labour is SEERS qualified. As a measure of compliance with quality standards, SAICs are entitled to display their current certificate and to use the SAIC logo on their company literature, something to look out for. So why risk it? For peace of mind, choose SAIC member companies where you can be sure that safety and storage equipment installation go hand in hand. SAICs are part of SEMA, the Storage Equipment Manufacturers Association, committed to promoting and extending the safe design, installation and use of storage equipment manufactured and supplied by its members. SEMA brings together all elements of safety in the storage industry. Look out for all of SEMA's membership groups, SAIC, SEERS, SDCs or SEMA distributor companies, and SARIs who are SEMA-approved rack inspectors. For more information, log on to www.sema.org.uk or call 0121 601 6359.